Canopy by Hilton Osaka Umeda is Hilton's first lifestyle brand hotel in Japan, opened in September 2024 within the new Grand Green Osaka development. Expect 308 guest rooms, the Jaja Bar, all-day dining at CC, Canopy Restaurant, and City and Parkview Fitness Center. Our King Canopy Corner Suite was on the 23rd floor, with floor-to-ceiling glass wrapping around the corner offering panoramic views over the new Umeda Park and the Osaka skyline. We visited in mid-November, the trees just beginning to turn, bright sunshine and clear skies filling the space with light. The layout worked well. The bedroom occupied the main corner, the wall behind the bed dividing it from the living area. Sliding doors on each side of the bed meant the space could feel open and connected to the living area, or private when closed. On one side of the wall, the bed, on the other, a large flat-screen TV facing the sofa and chair. CC, Canopy, is the signature restaurant that runs along the corner of the building, tables on one side and on the other corner, slightly elevated booths with curved 180-degree seating beneath sculptural dome lighting. We tried the World of Canopy tasting menu, a first anniversary special featuring recipes from Canopy hotels around the world. The Kozara courses arrived like tapas, snapper crudo from Reykjavik, Spanish tortilla from Madrid, reef fish curry from Seychelles. The Osaka contribution, the pani puri with duck confit, poached pear and mushroom marmalade, was the standout dish. Mains included chicken breast stuffed with truffle from London and pressed short rib from Sao Paulo.